Think about the product like smartphone. From the outside, it looks simple. A screen, a few buttons, and a tiny body. But inside, every millimeter has to fit batteries, cameras, circuit boards, speakers, and structural parts. Creating a product like this takes more than making something look good. Engineers must make sure it can actually be manufactured, assembled, tested, and used reliably. Today, I'm applying for a position as a mechanical product design engineer in the consumer electronics industry. My design experience, technical preparation, and an interest in balancing product quality with manufacturability would allow me to contribute to this field. I'll explain what this profession does, how my experiences prepared me for it, and how I could contribute to a consumer electronic company. First, what does a mechanical product design engineer actually do? A product may look simple after it's finished, but every physical detail has to be designed for a reason. For example, even a small internal bracket in a phone needs to the right material, shape, thickness, and tolerance so it is strong enough and can still be manufactured consistently. A 2022 review by Grovny and his colleague explained that design for manufacturing and assembly helps engineers consider this manufacturing decision while a product is still being designed. The research includes choices such as materials, geometry, tolerance, and manufacturing process, all these factors. So, for me, mechanical product design is about turning an idea into something that can actually be built, repeated, and used in the real world. My second point is why I am prepared for this profession. I've used CAD tools such as SolidWorks and Fusion, and I've worked on engineering and model projects while digital design eventually has to become something physical. Those experiences taught me that dimensions, materials, assembly, and small design decisions matter. I also have opportunities to observe consumer electronic manufacturing. That made me interested not only how a product looks or functions, but in how it can actually be produced consistently. Finally, I believe I could contribute because I am especially interested in the relationship between design and manufacturing. Deckers, Chen, and their colleagues reviewed research on product design, engineering, and manufacturing. They found that coordinating these areas is an important challenge, and that decision design engineers can do can influence manufacturing cost, time to market, and consumer value. I also interviewed my father, who worked in global supply chain management in a consumer electronics industry and previously worked in Apple supply chain organization. He explained that one of the most important parts of hardware development is balancing the best possible product with realistic way to manufacturing it. One thing I've learned from seeing manufacturing up close is that small design choice can create a much larger production problem. A part that looks easy a model may be difficult to assemble, inspect, or produce in consistent thousand times. That makes me realize that good product design is not about solving an engineering problem once. It's about solving it in a way that can repeat it reliably. That idea represents exactly what attracts me to this profession. I do not want to think only about whether something works in CAD. I want to understand how engineering decision affects manufacturing, reliability, cost, and the experience of a person using the product. So today I explain what mechanical product design engineers do, how my experience have prepared for this field, and how I could contribute by understanding both product design and manufacturing. My technical preparation, design experience, and the interest in the relationship between engineering and manufacturing would make me a strong candidate for a mechanical product design position. I do not just want to design a part that works on a computer screen. I want to help create products that works in people's hands, can be manufactured successfully, and are worth being proud of.